You look awkward, bro. You look awkward, and I'm trying to help you, especially in that social gathering that you don't know what to do. I'm gonna hook it up. First of all, we need to fix that eye contact. I told you how good eye contact is, and I've met so many shy people now that do this to me. I guess they've seen my videos, right? So they keep eye contact with me all the time, but when they do it, it's like you're frozen, right? You have to understand, in a natural conversation, like I do this when I even do videos and you're not even in the room, but when I'm talking to you guys, I'm like looking off to the side. Usually it's about 70%. So I'm looking at you and then I laugh and whatever, I look off to, right? It's this natural flow of conversation. I am never 100% of the time right into your face, just locked eyes without my eyes moving. This is awkward, which takes me to number 2, saying bye like 30 times. Take my videos again, for example. How many times I'm like, all right guys, see you next time. Wait, all right, next time, boys. Oh wait, I forgot to, I'll never do that. Right? As soon as I end my videos, I'm out. Happens everywhere. In a social gathering, whether I'm in a podcast, boom, I'm out. Because you have to understand, once you say you're leaving, you gotta go. You gotta be a man that's direct, a man that knows what they want. If you consistently say bye, but never leave, you just seem indecisive. Which takes me to number 3. You're shaking a hand too long. Similar to eye contact, because you know a strong handshake is important, you overdo it. So now you're here shaking a hand for way too long, and it's just this awkward situation. What I want you to do is when you shake a hand, count to 2, right? 1, 2. That's it. Boom. That's a strong handshake. And even if he doesn't let go, you can let go first. You can dominate the length of that interaction. Giving a gift that somebody doesn't want, especially with the holidays around the corner, this is an awkward situation. When you don't know how to read a room, when you don't know how to read your friend or read that person and gift the right gift, they're not paid actors. You'll see it in their face. If only there was like a universal gift that every man desired in their bathroom, right? Like, I wish you'd listen to me, bro. Like, I could save you awkwardness and embarrassment. You buy all your boys Manscaped 4.0 package. Yes, they're gonna get a giggle from it, but I promise you, they're gonna use it every day of the year. And every time they use it, they're gonna be thinking about you. That's crazy intimate if you ask me. That's crazy intimate. So the reality is, boys, if you guys wanna give a gift that's actually worth giving, you have to check out the Manscaped 4.0 package. Our 4.0 package comes with a Lawnmower 4.0, best-selling lawnmower in the market. This is the best-selling manscaping trimmer that you'll ever find. We revolutionized the whole manscaping process. Just nobody else does it as good as we do. And that's why everybody wants it. People know we are the originators of this. On top of that, we have 2 grooming products, a ball toner and a ball deodorant. I promise you, no man in your life has ever used a ball toner and a ball deodorant. And I also promise you that when they do use it, they'll never go back. Those 2 promises will be completed with this gift. That's what I'm saying. Like, I'm trying to save you awkwardness. And if that weren't enough, it also comes with a free pair of underwear and a free dop kit and 20% off for the holiday special and free shipping. What are you waiting for, bro? If you guys want a great holiday gift, check out Manscaped. It'll be linked down below. You're forgetting people's names. Extremely disrespectful. And on top of that, it's one of the easiest ways to get people to like you. If you want people to like you instantly, the fastest thing that you could do is just remember the name and repeat it at least once. It's an old sales trick. Denying compliments. Most of the time when you get a compliment, you don't know how to act, right? You get so awkward, you get a compliment, you don't even know what to say. So what I'm telling you to do is, every time you get a compliment, instead of being like, oh no, that's not me, or downplaying it, or denying it, or thinking you're not good enough for that compliment, take the compliment, accept it, just say thank you. Literally, you do all the talking. When you are in a conversation, if you notice you are dominating that conversation, for the most part, it could be a bad sign. When most people are awkward or they don't know what to do, they just start speaking like crazy, so there's no awkward pauses. When in reality, I want you to change your mentality. If you want to avoid awkwardness, ask more questions. People love to talk about themselves. You'll be more likable, and you avoid you having to talk. Shoving your hands in your pockets, right? This is like the key awkward position. When you don't know what to do and you don't want to use your phone, the first thing you do, hands in the pockets. That's because you don't know what to do with your hands. But like I've told you before, I do this in my videos, right? I could do my videos like this all day long or sitting down. But instead what I do is when I talk, I use my hands. It emphasizes my message and it brings it to life. You could do that in person, trying to be the alpha in the room. This is like overcompensating, right? When you feel really awkward, what do? You go into fight or flight. Some people just literally flight. Other people like to fight, and they like to be the loudest, craziest guy in the room. They like to try to dominate conversation. They laugh extra loud, and in reality, it's a form of awkwardness. It's a form of insecurity where they're trying to dominate and be, let's say, friend group leader just so they could be the alpha and feel good about themselves, when in reality, people are just annoyed by it, and it's an awkward situation for everyone.